Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a next generation blockchain project named as Potuma, a metaverse and in-game advertising platform that makes serious waves in the crypto space. It is the first in-game ads and loyalty token. I will share all the detail, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this brilliant project named as Potuma, named as POR token. POR token $POR is BEP20 token issued on Binance Smart Chain with a fixed supply of 10 billion tokens in total, and it is so good platform. Discover Potuma, a unique metaverse and in-game advertising ecosystem built on Binance Smart Chain with a total supply of 10 billion listing on MEXC, BitGet, LBank, Bitmart, and PancakeSwap, and over 50,000 plus gamers. You can see it here. Discover project, community, invest, POR token. I will share further. You can be able to make money on it with Potuma Connect app. User can play games, play to earn, bridge to reality. Potuma Connect application is given. You can see further details. Potuma launch event is also given, which took place at Istanbul Hotel on October 5. Attract great attention. You can see. So furthermore, they have a manifest which is given here, connects brands and game studios. They have partnered with the global brands like Burger King, BMW, Apple, Samsung, Vodafone, Turkish Airline, and even with BBVA Bank, and they are given with the Potuma Connect app. User can play games, shop online, earn, connect with MetaMask, track gamer performance. The white paper is given, their official site KYC roadmap are given here. I will share all their details. You can see their financial cycle. In-game ads 20%, circulation is 37.9%. Team token is locked for 12 months. 9% stake and reward is 5%. Marketing is 7%. Strategic partnership is 5%. Airdrop is 1%. You can see development wallet have 5%. Private sale is also given on, and their detail is given, and you can share all their detail. Is more than just a token. It is an entire ecosystem designed to place non-intrusive in-game ads that rewards players without breaking immersion. So it is built on Binance Smart Chain, and Potuma has been active in the space for over 3 years, and it's listed on major exchanges. And you can see furthermore, I will share with you about their exchanges. It is listed on CoinMarketCap, and you can see their price is going up and down. And furthermore, it is also given here the price and details about that is given. You can see their details here. And furthermore, if I go for their MEXC, it is also on listed on that. You can see their price, and it is going 0.10%. Do your own research before investing in it. And it is also listed on BitGet, and you can see it here, BitGet, Bitmart, and also LBank, and you can see it is also listed on Bitmart too. And it is also on PancakeSwap. They have Potuma has been active for over 3 years, and it listed on major exchanges like MEXC, iShared, BitGet, Bitmart, LBank, and PancakeSwap. Furthermore, if I go there and share with you the details about their player app, you can see that you can go and play that game here, and you can get more about it. It is so easy. So one of the limited token project that cooperates with banks continues to organize gamer event with the grantee BBVA. So they have given here the details. Download the game, and you can you like the marketplace and start having fun and winning. You can see the game, their metaverse, their plays, their blockchain games, and all that details is given. They have the unique collaboration, and with only some of them are given here. You can see there is the certic, it is certified, and their price is given here. And if I go further, it is also unity.com partners verified solution. Turn their your third pool You can see plugin. If I go further, there is the announcement that will be made on it in that, which is IAB Europe. You can see be sure to check out the big Portoma launch event held last year on the YouTube channel, which is given here the video, and also you can see it on the Twitter too. You can see their details, Portoma Connect applications like game, shopping, MetaMask connection, gamer tracking system. You can access all of these features through their single application. You can see their video, and the Portoma CEO has a guest on the focus. You can see on that YouTube channel details further that. So they have the Twitter, the Portoma Connect application is now available with the Porsche feature, their revolutionary structure, which can integrate with all e-commerce infrastructure system worldwide is now live. It's not it great. To be a part of it, Portoma Connect is now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. You can see their links. I will give that. You can join them on. Furthermore, their white paper is given. Their details about that is given on. You can see their details. Portoma holds weekly gamer events and already 50,000 plus active gamers in its ecosystem. Portoma holds a KYC Gold certificate from Certic, is a Unity verified partner and member of IAB Europe, giving it a serious credibility boost. But do your own research before investing in any kind of project. This is the educational purpose video, and the Portoma holds weekly gamers. I already shared that. Portoma is building a revolutionary bridge between advertising and gaming with a solid track record, partnership with the major brands, and real utility. It's definitely a project worth keeping an eye on. Let me know your thoughts in comments too. You can go and join, see their base blockchain project analysis report. You can see that for your secure and for your thinkings, all that. Furthermore, you can also join them on their Twitter, and their details about that, their links are given here, their details, their news will be given here. So if you want to be a part of it, must go and join them on their Twitter and also on their Telegram. I share all the details about that project with you. Their features is building revolutionary bridge between advertising and gaming with a solid track record, partnership with major brands, and real utilities. It is definitely a project with a keep eye on. You can see they are going all that the majors with their companies with which Portoma has an advertising agreement are Burger King, BMW, Vodafone, and Apple, Nescafe, Turkish, Milka, all the BBVA banks, Gate.io, OKX, Samsung, etc. So it is a system while playing the game. Instead of annoying ads that interrupt your game, you place ads in the game with the technology, and the reward system is activated for players who see the ad, and their audience that enjoys seeing ads is increasing day by day. Advertisers get more interaction and views while the players start to earn money by playing games. So all the details I have shared with you here's, and you can also join their social media accounts. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto updates.